Welcome to this video on Robotic Gripper, guys. In this video we are going to make few changes in few parts that we have created. So click on this pin that we have created earlier and click on enter button, and then in the boss extrude click on edit feature, and here we are going to make the length shorter from 20 to 7 millimeter, and then click enter button, and you have to just click on save or click on save as and save this part as pin. Okay, now cross this window from here, and this is the part, this is basically the aligner which we have created. So just open it, and in this boss extrude click on edit feature, and here we are again making this length shorter from 16 to 14, and make sure that you have make it on mid plane. Then check this box from here, and after that select this face and click on sketch. We are going to create a circle here on this origin like this up to this face. Okay, now press escape button, hold control key from your keyboard, select the circle, select this face and make relation tangent. Okay, now go to features, select extruded boss base, and here we have to extrude this circle up to 3 millimeter and check this box from here. Now we are going to mirror the same circular part to the other side. So we are going to select this plane that basically cut this part in half like this. Then select the mirror command. Make sure that you have selected this plane here, and in features to mirror window select this circular part. Make sure that you have selected the circular part only and not this body. It will not get mirrored. So I'm selecting this circular part and then check this box from here. Now the part has been created. We can assign any appearance we like. This is, by the way, an optional step. We have already applied an appearance priorly, but I have removed that. Okay, so this looks fine, and after that you can go to file, click on save as or just save, and you can save it as aligner, and after that you can cross this solidworks tab. So that's all for this video, guys. See you in the next video.